Hello, if you are owner of a Kawai digital piano with a GF2 key, you may have problems, and this video will show you how you can repair these keys because the standard slip tapes from Kawai are not a good solution. Kawai uses the GF2 keys on several digital pianos, the CS series, the A series, or sometimes the MP11 series, and these slip tapes are a problem, and the video shows how you can change from slip tapes to Treibstoff. Treibstoff is a wooven felt. The problems which are claimed by many owners of Kawai pianos with GF2 keys are scratching key noise, slow keys, or sticky keys. The problems are hard, and after a while you cannot play the piano anymore. You need to repair it. The cause of the problem are losing Kawai slip tapes and the hammer pilots which has a contact to the slip tape clue. These are some pictures. You see here the hammer with some clue on it, or the slip tape which is defect. And the only thing which Kawai says is you can repair it. You need to buy the slip tapes for about €50, which is 1 meter long, and it's called Terracoa number 777, and it's a 2mm thickness self-bonding slip tape from Kawai. The cause of the problem is a slip tape which is defect and will not work anymore. Here we have some examples of defect slip tapes. You see, mostly all slip tapes are defect. It's not only one or two. You can find these problems nearly on all keys. Here again some pictures. You see the foil is on the side, and you will touch the other key. So the first problem is a scratching key noise, and the second problem is the hammer, which has a clue on the top, and you will then have a sticky key. To repair the piano, you need to open it. You need to remove 12 screws on the back wall. You can then remove the upper part. You have to remove 4 screws from the gear guarding on each side. Also to remove 4 screws from the key strip, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. Remove then all 88 keys and hammers, but note, the hammers need to be marked with their numbers. Find the damage of the key and the slip tapes and clean the hammer heads from the clue and from the dirt. All 88 keys must be repaired. The slip tapes must be removed completely. The woven felt, the Treibstoff, must be sticked on, and this will last for several years then. This solution comes very close to the slip tape originals. You have a soft touch, you have no wear by clue or losing foils, and you have the same height of the key. No adjustments are necessary. What is Treibstoff? Treibstoff is a woven felt. Choose a thickness of 2 mm. It's similar to the original slip tape's thickness. Treibstoff is available from supplier Miner. You can buy this on this website. The repair itself works as follows. You remove the slip tapes. It's not so hard because the adhesive is not very good. Then you have to clean the wooden key with some sandpaper, with thinner and with alcohol, so that the surface of the wooden key is pretty clean. The next step is that you cut some Treibstoff tapes or pads, and they should have a width of 12 mm and a length of 15 mm. So at the end, these are the tapes which will be bonded to the wooden key. Apply some adhesive on the key as well on the Treibstoff and ventilate this for several minutes. I used Pateks Kraftkleber Classic. I also made some tests with other glues like height glue or white glue, and the result was that the Pateks Kraftkleber was the best one, and I decided to use this glue for my repair. If you like to remove the Treibstoff pads later on, after a while again, maybe you could use other glues like height glue or white glue. After 5 minutes of ventilation, you can press the pads to the wooden key and you can cut it from the back side with a sharp knife. This was a defect slip tape, and this one is repaired with Treibstoff. It's a long-lasting solution. After that, you have to assemble all keys and all 88 hammers again into your piano. If required, you should grease the points in this picture with G524 or FTG50. These greases are available by Kawai. But please do not grease the point which are marked with let off. This is the end result on the left side. It's a Treibstoff pad which is applied to the wooden key and in contact with the hammer on the right side. And this solution should be a long-lasting solution for your digital piano, and I hope that you are able to repair it by yourself with this video. Thank you.